Hello. We were glad to meet you and put together a customized plan to fix your home's problems. Now, we know that you need to consider your next steps before you commit to fixing your home, and we understand that you want to get bids from some other contractors. Well, here's the thing. If you decide to spend another few hours with a contractor and you find that they're willing to do the same scope of work with the same quality at a lower price, now, we don't think you will, but if you do, we'll match that price. Why? Well, we don't want you to have to choose less skill or less experience just to get a lower price. Let's not forget, we stand behind our work with an industry-leading warranty that's transferable to the next owner. This is your home we're talking about. It's more than your most valuable investment. It's where you live and raise a family, hang out with friends. And right now, you have in front of you a permanent solution to your problems that has been custom designed for your home and your home alone. So, whether you want to make sure there are no issues when selling your home, or you're just tired of things not working as they should in your home, or you simply want to sleep better at night, just let us know and we can get the ball rolling on this today.